Asia Cup Cricket 2023 Team India. New and final squad. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, captain, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Ishan Kishan, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Virat Kohli, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 5 KL Rahul, right-handed batsman. Number 6 Rishabh Pant, wicket-keeper, left-handed batsman. Number 7 Dinesh Karthik, wicket-keeper, right-handed batsman. Number 8 Hardik Pandya, all-rounder. Number 9 Ravindra Jadeja, all-rounder. Number 10 Deepak Hooda, right-handed batsman. Number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal, spin bowler. Number 12 Ravichandran Ashwini, spin bowler. Number 13 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler. Number 14 Ashradeep Singh, fast bowler. Number 15 Bhuvneshwar Kumar, fast bowler. Number 16 Mohammad Shami, fast bowler. Number 17 Deepak Chahar, fast bowler. Number 18 Mohammad Siraj, fast bowler.